with, what is it?
Baking soda.
We're mixing vinegar with baking soda, Paxton. Oh, she can't hear me now. Oh, there she is. Jack, what are you doing?
Okay, you ready?
Stinks over there.
Start dropping raisins in there.
Drop raisins.
Get the raisins, yeah.
Do the raisins.
Get a raisin, drop it in there. See what happens.
It's gonna overflow and get all over my suit.
Do some more. Drop a bunch in there. Oh, 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 oh.
I pour
Do some more.
there?
No, just put like 10 of them in there is what it says.
2. Watch it, Chris.
Chris, take your hand off your nose.
Come on, it's not that bad.
30.
That was 4.
4.
Hurry up, Chris. Come on.
Just
5. 6. 7. 8, 9. Last one. 10.
okay.
But it is gonna stink. That stinks. That stinks. Check, do you smell that? Come here.
Stop using it up no more.
I waited too long.
Huh?
What?
Maybe I waited too long.
For what?
It's in here. For what?
Are they supposed to grow?
They're supposed to float
Float?
up and down on the bubbles. But I think the soda's not. Oh, there's one of them going. There it goes. Oh, you just can't see it too well because it's. Do you see them?
Do you see him, Jack? Or do you smell it?
You just can't see it too well because it's so thick. But they're floating up and down in there.
I'm showing Jack. No, Jack.
Can you see it, Chris? Put the dog down.
No.
I want to
Yeah,
know
I
if you
saw
can
them.
see it. Can you see them going
I
up and
saw
down
one of them.
in
saw one
the
of them.
bubbles? Yeah.
I can't see it anymore. What? Hey.
Okay.
Yeah. What?
Tell everybody bye again.
Bye.